Hello everyone. How to solve this derivative problem? This question is derivative of x to the power x. I find out what is the right answer. So if you want to solve this question, first of all let y equal to x to the power x. Now I use both side ln. This time I can say ln y equal to ln x to the power x. We know that according to logarithm rules, log or ln a to the power x equal to x log a. So if I follow this rules, this time I can say here is ln y equal to x ln x. Now I use both side derivative, so I can say here is derivative of ln y equal to derivative of x ln x. Now we know that derivative of ln x equal to 1 over x. Now I can say here is derivative of ln y, so here is 1 over y, and derivative of y equal to dy by dx, and here is derivative of x ln x. So according to derivative rules, we know that derivative of uv equal to u d dx b plus b d dx u. Now I follow these rules in this line. This time I can say here is u and this is v, so ax derivative of ln x plus ln x derivative of x. Now I can say here is 1 over y dy by dx equal to x. We know that derivative of ln x equal to 1 over x plus here is ln x and derivative of x equal to 1. Now here is x cancelled. This time I can say here is 1 over y dy by dx equal to 1 plus ln x. Now I move on this y right side. This time I can say here is dy by dx equal to y 1 plus ln x. Now here is dy by dx equal to, we know that y equal to x to the power x, so I put on this value in this line, so I can say here is x to the power x times 1 plus ln x. This is our answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you all.